Hello, I am Mario Arturo Hernández Callejas. I am studying for a degree in philosophy and history of ideas. I am in my 8th semester. My greatest admiration for this public and historical figure, the most world-known Stoic, Seneca, for BC 265 CE, was the first representative of Roman Stoicism. He invited us to live a life without fear. Seneca went through various moments that allowed him to deeply reflection on emotion, ambition, the healing power of philosophy, and especially the death. Additionally, Seneca is considered as philosopher, politician, orator, poet, and writer. He was also a teacher, tutor, and advisor to Emperor Nero, Claudius Caesar Augustus Germanicus, who sought to have him killed. Although Seneca was innocent, assange an accusation in knowing that they were coming for him. His friends were at so a threat, so Seneca advised them to allocate when firmness according to his lesson of prudence. Thus Nero was a vengeful, possessive, power-hungry person, all driven by his anger. He only wanted to take revenge on Seneca, who hasn't been his most loyal adversary. Seneca wanted today before Nero's guards and ruins, as the Quans wait, and committing suicide, saying thus his wife, Paulina Counts, find it necessary consolation for Seneca's grief. His wife assured him that she has determined to die by his side. Seneca respected Pauline's decision, however, and survived as the bleeding house stopped and the wound on the arms were bandaged. I admire the philosopher Seneca, who having been suffering throughout her life ends, and the result I have studied his philosophy, the way he interprets and monetizes human emotions.